Question 11 asks, if you use or store hazardous substances, products or materials, please provide evidence of how you manage this aspect of your business. This question is worth 15 points, but if you don't use or store hazardous substances, it can be marked as not applicable, if agreed by your assessor and is not contradicted by other evidence provided in your assessment, for example, your risk hazard register. If you use hazardous substances, you're required to have a hazardous products or substance inventory, which contains information about the types and amount of these substances and how and where they are stored. Here is a link to the WorkSafe schedule of hazardous substances. The assessor will be looking for evidence of safety data sheets, the inventory or register in some form of task analysis, or safe operating procedures and training connected to the product or products you use. It's still important to have SDS documents about any substances you use and how to deal with accidental ingestion or a spill, etc. Just a warning. If you've listed hazardous products in your risk register in question 7, this question can't be marked as not applicable, so check what your register has in it and make sure it's accurate.